If you want to lose weight, lose fat, you must get a good handle on your calories. And in this video, I'm going to show you how.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hi, this is Clint. If you want to lose weight, lose fat through body recomposition, that's great. But don't think it's just about working out, because if working out is all you do, yes, you're going to get strong, but you're not going to lose fat. You must include nutrition as part of the element there. So, in terms of nutrition, there are two main parts to get you started in terms of calorie control. The first part is determining what your maintenance calories are. What's maintenance calories? Well, maintenance calories will be the total number of calories that you eat every single day that kind of keeps your total body weight about the same. So in other words, your average intake where your body weight is fairly stable. So there are different ways to do this. The first way is getting a nutritional app. I use one called Chronometer. I've got it in my iPad right there. Chronometer. Chronometer has a free version, it's got a paid version. I use the free version and it works great. And we can definitely use something like Chronometer to figure out what our maintenance calories are. So again, step one, get a nutritional app. You're going to need something to count your calories. Step two, now here's where you have to be really diligent and honest. On your app here, you're going to input every single thing that you eat. So every meal, every snack, every little morsel, every little peanut or cookie, everything. Also, everything that you drink, juice, coffee, tea, pop, and yes, even water. Input everything on a daily basis for at least a week, maybe even 2 weeks. Okay, you can't miss anything here. You've got to be completely honest about it. A nutritional app will automatically calculate how many calories that you ate every single day. And once you get about 1 or 2 weeks of data, now take the total number of calories and get the average. That average number will be a good representation of what your maintenance calories are. Now, there's another way to do this as well to get your maintenance calories. And this other way involves using AI. You can simply ask Google AI or ChatGPT to figure out what they think would be your maintenance calories. But again, you have to be honest with these programs. So what it's going to ask you is your gender, your height, and your current body weight. So input all of that. Now here's something really important. You're also going to have to input your current activity level. So let's say you work out a few times a week. Describe what your workouts are. How long do you work out and how often per week? Put that all in. Let's say you play certain sports, whether it's soccer or basketball or tennis or golf. Put that all in. Enter everything, how often you do it, how intense you do those sports, as much detail as possible. Let's say you don't do any of that. That's okay. Let's say you're not very active. Put that in. Be completely honest. So what AI will do, it would calculate some sort of average maintenance calories number for you based on your body, your gender, your size, and also your current activity level. Put that all in and it will figure out what your maintenance calories are. Okay, so now that you have part one, that's actually the hard part. We still have part two. Part two involves setting a calorie deficit. This means that, okay, you have your maintenance calories. In order to lose fat, you have to eat lower than this maintenance calories number. This is your calorie deficit. And what we recommend is to set a calorie deficit of anywhere from 300 to 500 calories per day. So it's just a little bit. Now, I know a lot of people, when they're doing body recomposition, you're in a rush. You want to lose that fat. You want to lose that body weight quickly. But that doesn't happen. You might think that, oh, if you drop it even more, you're going to get better results faster. That's not true, because what happens is that if you drop everything too aggressively, over 500 calories per day, you're going to feel really lousy. You're going to feel weak. You're not going to have the energy to do your workouts. So body recomposition is all about doing things slowly, gradually. So the calorie deficit is actually quite moderate. Again, 300 to 500 calories. For example, let's say your maintenance calories, you kind of figured it out to be about 2,500 calories per day. So you take off anywhere from 300 to 500, that would bring you down to 2,000 to 2,200 calories per day. Now that you've got your calorie set, there's more to this whole nutritional equation. There's protein, and that's what we're going to cover in the next video. So hopefully you liked this video. Please hit the like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video all about setting your protein intake.